am Mano Srinivasan, Tamil Nadu, Hosur. First of all, I like to thank for the Aviation Technosol for giving a great value in my life, because Aviation Technosol not only helped me in achieving my dreams, also helped me to progress in my career. Because of the support of the Aviation Technosol, I have got placed in a Ruchi Soya company, which is located in Bangalore, with a good package salary of 2 lakhs per 2 LPA. So from this I have got a confidence that I would be able to get succeeded in my career, and in further development Aviation I would go on need on it, because it will not only help me in the initial stage, I hope Aviation will also help me even in the future things. So I really witnessed a great opportunity in a company, in my career or in my life, through Aviation. So this is one of the moment I would like to cherish in my life, and to share my experience how I was capable of handling that interviews and any technical issues through the support and help of the Aviation Technosol. So Aviation Technosol not only guided through the technical issues, also they have guided me in several ways, like career holding, and also how to face an interview. So like many issues, the Aviation Technosol guided me. So with the help of it only I able to attend a interview, and I got placed one of the company of Ruchi Soya. So this is something mean in my life. So I would like once again to thank to the Aviation Technosol for giving a great opportunity to share my experience, and I hope I would be go need even in future, as before said, I would like to need to get help from the Aviation Technosol even for my future careers, and definitely it would be a worthy thing for me in future. So thank you for everyone, and thank you for Aviation Technosol. Thank you.